Yo, what up guys? I'm Sammy.
And I'm Lucas.
And welcome back to the Patch channel. And today we're going to be reviewing the Odin Infinity Gaming Mousepad. So this is a hybrid mousepad. So if you're trying to get the best of both worlds from a hard mousepad and a soft mousepad, then this is a great option to get. It's going for $29 all the way up to $45 depending on what size you get. And if you guys don't want to get it, we'll leave a link in the description box. And also, if you guys want to follow us on Twitch, our Twitch channel is right over here. We actually were trying this mousepad on our stream. So we actually do test the product sometimes on our stream. So anyways, there's that. But let's get it started off with the bottom of the mouse. And this is actually a new, brand new material. You know, we've actually never seen this material in this world. Mm-hmm. They actually went outer space, went on a meteor, and then they harvested the material and then bring it back. And then now we have rubber.
Yep.
Yeah, so,
it's rubber.
Yeah, so I mean, nothing special. Obviously, rubber is essential for a mousepad, especially if you don't want it to move when you're gaming with it. So there's that. Nothing special there. And then around the perimeter of the mousepad, we got some very tightly woven stitches, which is cool. As far as like how much it protrudes out, it's actually very flush with the mousepad. So when you kind of like over flick and the mouse goes over the mousepad, you actually don't feel it all too much, which is very interesting. I like that, you know. Some mouse pads, it's a little bit thick, so you definitely feel it. But this one, it's actually pretty damn nice. And of course, it's going to improve the longevity of the mouse pad so that this mouse pad doesn't fray at the edges, you know?
Yeah, stitching is very nice. And to get into sort of the meat of things here with the top, the main surface of it. Now, one thing to note on here that they note very strongly on their website, and that they really want to make a point out of here, is that there's no coating on this surface. So no beads that are gonna fall off or anything like that on here. There's no coating on there. And the top of it, it feels like a hard mouse pad. It's got this texture that's like scratchy, right?
Scaly?
But then it's still soft.
Kind of scaly, right?
Yeah, kind of scaly almost.
Yeah.
But then it's still soft to the press. It's a little bit firm. It's a pretty relatively thin mouse pad, but still soft, has a little give on it, which I actually like. And the top of it, I would say it's definitely far from a control pad, but it's not the fastest pad we've ever tried. I would say it's faster than average. Yes, is what I would say.
Exactly, and that's exactly what I would say. You know, I main a glass pad, so glass pad's like one of the fastest you can use, and also the Akari. And this one, moving the mouse, like initially moving the mouse, it's like there's not a whole lot of resistance, but like, and also it's smooth when you're gliding the mouse, but then it's just like not a super duper fast, you know, comparing to like the fastest mouse pads that you can get, but it's definitely on the faster side of things. So if you're a speed demon, this probably is a good option, but it's not the fastest option. But also you get good control where you have pretty damn good stopping power. You know, like if you do a little flick, you can stop pretty much where you want to. Obviously, it takes a little bit of getting used to if you're coming from something else, a little bit slower, a little bit faster, whatever. But once you get through that, this is a very, very nice feeling mouse pad. I like it.
Yeah, and that's what I mean when I say it's far from a control pad. I mean in terms of your average control pad speed. Like if you're using like a Razer Gigantus where that thing is just slow, you know, like this is still going to be faster than that, like much faster than that. But you still keep the control, which is really nice. So again, hard mouse pad, so you get the speed. Not all the speed of a hard mouse pad. I feel like that would be a little bold to say. But you still get faster because it's like a hard mouse pad on the surface. And you get control because it's still got a little give in there for like a cloth mouse pad like what you would get. Now, what's important that they note as well is that when you're moving on the X and the Y axis on here, you're getting a very even feel. Like it's not like some where they have like the stitching is like diagonally and it's very obviously faster if you're moving diagonally in one direction as opposed to the other. It's just fast either way you go, and it's really the same speed. Like the coating, they did a really good job on that. So consistency is key here, and I feel like you really get that out of this mouse pad.
Yeah, and then it also looks pretty damn cool because like it reflects light, kind of like it makes it look shiny, you know. And a lot of cloth mouse pads, they just look kind of dull, you know. So I feel like that has something to do with like whatever like string or strands of whatever they're using, and it's also very, very tightly woven. So you can see, it's very hard to see the individual strands of string. And also, we have an Odin logo here on the bottom right corner of the mouse, which looks pretty damn clean. It's white in this mouse pad, and everything else is pretty much black. So yeah, wrapping things up, it's a great mouse pad. I enjoy playing with it. But I don't think I'm gonna main it because it's not as fast as I would like. But if you want something on the faster side of things, but with good control and something that's very, very smooth, then this is a great option.
Yeah. For $30, would you recommend this to your average user?
Of course, yeah. Like it's not. I'm not saying it's bad. I'm just saying it's not what I would prefer. You know what I'm saying? So there's a little bit of a difference there. But yeah, like I said, it's a great mouse pad for those who what I just stated. You know.
Yeah, I really like this mousepad. I actually started maining this guy after I've been maining the Tiger Esports Long Tang mousepad for a very, very long time since we did the video. And then I actually replaced it with this guy, and it was performing really well. I just I don't know, I really liked using it, and it just felt really good. So I'm gonna also be testing the durability on this guy as well over time. So I'll let you guys know if that fades.
If you play with this mousepad, you will get more headshots. It's scientifically proven. Science.
Yep.
Yeah. Lucas didn't. We did an experiment, so
not a whole lot of more headshots because there's no RGB on it. But
oh yeah. So that about concludes our review. Again, if you guys do want to get it, we'll leave a link in the description box. But that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.
See you in the next one.